All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and maybe a pair of long nose pliers. Before any work, always turn off and eliminate power to your oven. If your oven is in a unit, you'll need to take it out by removing these 2 screws, asking for help if needed. Remove the screws from the top panel of your oven and place these to one side. Be careful when handling the panel as it can be sharp. The oven energy regulator switch is behind the grill setting control knob. Simply slide off the control knob and then remove the screw found on either side. Before going any further, take photos or a video of the existing wiring layout before removing any from the oven energy regulator switch. Then begin to remove the connectors. Some you'll be able to do by hand, others may need some long nose pliers if they're tight. If the lamp lens clear cover comes out from the oven front panel when removing any connectors and wiring, simply place it back in and connect the pilot lamp wiring as shown. Now with your new oven energy regulator switch, reconnect the wiring and connectors, referring to the photo and or video that you took earlier. Ensure they're all on nice and tightly. Then reattach the oven energy regulator switch to the back of the oven front panel, ensuring it's the correct way up as shown here. Rescrew the 2 screws back in place and then reattach the control knob. Pop the top oven panel back on and rescrew all of the screws back in place. Tighten up the 2 rear ones if needed. And that's it, your new oven energy regulator switch is all set to go.